Hi guys, in this video I am going to review the top 5 best Ninja blenders just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best Ninja blenders to see which one is worth your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here's a summary of the usefulness of each product, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started.
Top of the top 5 is Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. I've used the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 daily for smoothies, dough, prep, and more, and I can honestly say it's the most versatile Ninja I've owned. The powerful 1500-watt motor blitzes ice, frozen fruit, veggies, and even mixes dough with ease. Its large 72-ounce pitcher and food processor bowl let me make family-sized recipes without repeated batches, and the Nutri Ninja cups are great for single servings. Cleanup is straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts. It's louder and takes up more counter space than smaller blenders, but its multifunction power and durability make it worth the slightly higher price compared to basic models.
The second of the top 5 is Ninja Professional Countertop Blender BL610. The Ninja BL610 Professional has been my go-to for everyday smoothies and frozen drinks thanks to its strong 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology that pulverizes ice and fruit quickly. With a generous 72-ounce pitcher, I can prep drinks for the whole family in one go, and the simple controls make it fuss-free. It's quite loud and lacks advanced preset programs, but its efficiency, reliability, and solid build are excellent for the price. Considering performance versus cost, this model gives more power and capacity than many competitors under the same price point.
The product in third place is the Ninja Personal Smoothies Blender, 700 watts. The Ninja Personal Blender is compact yet surprisingly capable with its 700-watt base and included cups with lids. I found it perfect for single-serve smoothies, shakes, and small food prep jobs without having to pull out a larger blender. Its lightweight design makes it easy to store and clean, and I loved taking blended drinks on the go thanks to the to-go cups. It doesn't have the power or bulk capacity of full-size models, so it's not ideal for big batches or tough ingredients like dense ice. But for everyday personal use, it's a great value at a lower price point. And the product in fourth place is Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus brought a noticeable upgrade in power with its 1400 peak watts and Auto IQ programs. I appreciated the preset functions that took the guesswork out of making smoothies, frozen drinks, or even ice cream texture blends. It helped get consistent results every time. Its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for larger households, and the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup quick. It's louder and slightly pricier than simpler models, but the added intelligence and performance justify the extra cost if you want more automatic blending convenience. The fifth remaining product is Ninja BR201 AMZ Professional Blender 2.0. Using the Ninja BR201 AMZ 2.0 model showed me a solid all-around blender with its 1200-watt motor and Auto IQ tech handling most blending tasks smoothly. The 72-ounce pitcher chops ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens with power, and the included manual speed options give flexibility for different textures. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. It sits between the basic BL610 and higher-end BN701 in terms of features and price, so it's a good choice if you want more power and smart blending without paying top-tier costs. The balance of performance and price here makes it a smart buy for everyday kitchen use.